Hi, everybody, and welcome to your class and intro video for economics for the summer 2026 course. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is that when you look at our page, it'll look a little different when you get there because there will be a big video right up here, which will be our Monday morning message. And that message will come across as an email to you and as a short video each week that'll just kind of walk you through what's expected of the week, what specific lessons are covered, and then kind of go through any trouble spots on those lessons to kind of help you through those. Now, the next thing you see in this green folder is the teacher contact and office hour information. So you see my name, you see my email, you see phone number. Most importantly, you see office hour signups and the Teams link where we would meet if you need office hours. Now, I put on here office hours 8 to 9 a.m. during the summer, but that's flexible. You just kind of let me know what you need and I'll make sure I walk through and help you in any way that I can. Now, the next thing that we see is this resource folder. Now, the resource folder has some econ games to play anytime. Now, you're going to see different parts of the course set up, and you'll see parts of Mr. Cron in there. Mr. Cron is our usual teacher for econ during the school year. He's so nice enough to help me kind of set you up with the summer course, but you'll see that he has set up a lot of these econ games to play anytime, and so you might see his name attached to some of those, so don't be surprised if it's not my name, it's his. He's letting us borrow everything for the summer. You also see our Sowashko District Handbook, our tech support, how to add text to speech, absence reporting, pass no credit, homework grading, summative district policy. All of that is in our resource section. So that one's pretty helpful. Now, this class and orientation information, this is your Welcome to Sowashko Online letter. If you're watching this video right now, that's your Intro to Economics video, so you're in the right place. Good job. You got your welcome letter for it, you got the bio for it, and you got our syllabus for the course. So all of that is stuff that you'll use, but that's not where you'll spend most of your time. Most of your time is going to be spent in this current folder right here. Now, this current folder, you'll see that the first thing that you look at is this timeline and checklist for summer econ. Now, this is our calendar. So you're going to notice that we spend a class, we're taking it in a month. So this kind of schedule is a little bit of an intense. And so you'll notice when we go back into that current folder quick, you're going to notice that we have 6 modules and a final essay. Okay, so now when we go our timeline and checklist for summer econ, you're going to see that we're all the way through that Mod 6 exam right there, and then we have that final essay. So you're going through pretty quick. You'll see Mod 1, Mod 2, Mod 3, Mod 4, Mod 5, Mod 6. So you have each of those exams in there. Now, what that looks like then is this. When you go into Module 1, you're going to see different small lessons. Now, one of the things that you're going to see that are worth a lot of points are these right here, these audio video reflections, Intro to Economics. That's going to ask you certain things that kind of are going to help show your understanding. And so you'll notice there's a lot of points attached to that. Okay, now more than when you get into these. And part of that is we want to see that connection with the work that you're doing. Now, as you go into these Mod 1 then, like this is Mod 1 Lesson 1, you're going to go through, you'll see some different videos on here, okay? You'll see that you get signed up for your textbook. Now, if you have any trouble with that, let me know. This is my first time going through it. I went through and downloaded all of you into the textbook a couple days ago. Hopefully that works for us, but you never know. If it's not working, definitely reach out right away. We'll make sure that we got that for you, okay? So you'll to get help on that, you'll see this short video right here, the What Are We Even Doing? That's Mr. Cron right there. That's our friend that we said will be helping us kind of walk us through this, and he does a great job kind of setting this up for us. So that's what you'll see as you go through each module. So you'll see different topics that happen, and then you'll see an exam for each one. Now, you'll kind of walk through each one of those lessons, and then you'll notice that there's a Learn Hard, Play Hard. You got a game down here for scarcity. Notice Mr. Cron's name on there again. He'll help us through those. So as you go through the current folder then, you go to Mod 2, you'll see some things that are similar, right? You've got your audio video reflection up top. You've got your mini lessons as you go on through there, and then you've got that Mod 2 exam going through there as well. Okay, so that's kind of what you have for the setup. Hopefully that makes sense to everybody. Each one of those modules are kind of similar, and then you have that final essay that we'll go through, and that's you're just picking one topic that you want to learn more about and writing a 5-paragraph essay on that one. So the instructions will be there for you, but that's kind of the simple one on that. So you're going to have your mod 1, 2, 3, mod 4, 5, 6, that final essay. That midterm that we have here is only 2 questions, so I think you'll be okay on that one. But that's the course in a nutshell. Now, to get that textbook, you're going to look on this left here where it says McGraw-Hill. Once you click into there, it'll kind of walk you through there. And like we said, once we go through that video, that'll help you on there too. Hope this helps with everything. If it doesn't cover everything and you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll make sure to answer those as we go. Like I said, Mr. Cron and myself are kind of tag teaming this a little bit, but you can definitely reach out to me and I'll make sure to get every answer that you can get for you. Hope that helps. Looking forward to working with you this summer. Let's have a good one.